Hi, my name is Shriya. I'm in second year of my Agri-Business program at Lambton College. As a student researcher, I have been working on greenhouse project, like monitor the plants and the crop production. My agriculture program is really related to the research that I'm doing because whatever I have learned in my program, I can easily connect that thing at my experiments. So it really connects the theoretical world to the practical world. I have developed numerous of new skills, like I have enhanced my research skills, how to read the SOPs clearly, how to use the machines properly in the research labs. While working in Lambton research team, I feel more confident. I can easily do the bacterial stuffs properly because I have the proper SOPs and they always guides us for the good and they always motivates, you can do this better than that. It's the best experience that I have. This experience is going to help me in my future careers because through this experiments and practical knowledge, I can easily know what suits for the market best and how can I do the proper practical things. I can easily apply those things in my research in future. I would highly recommend them to just go for the research because you can easily learn more about your theoretical part because this term is going to be related to your theoretical to the real world experiences. So just go for it. Don't think twice to go for that one.